Hey YouTube fam, so I'm in the kitchen, but I won't be cooking anything to eat. I'm really going to be using an ingredient though that I can find in my kitchen. I'm going to be using okra today to make some okra pre-poo for my hair. Now, as the name suggests, it is used for pre-shampooing, so pre-poo, right? So here I just bought, I think 300 grams of fresh okra. I don't think I'm going to use the whole thing though, but I'm going to show you how much I'll use, I guess. But this new thing that I'm trying for my hair, so my scalp is just all over the place these days. It is itchy, it is also smelly. So I'm trying to wash my hair more often, and before I wash my hair, I sprayed apple cider vinegar on. You're not seeing any dandruff because trust me, I've been doing this now back to back for about 5 weeks, and the ACV, that's apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, and the water, that has been really helping my scalp where the dandruff is concerned. But where the smelly and the itchiness is concerned, it's helping that, but not so much. So I'm just trying to be more consistent in doing this, and then I'll see over the course of maybe 2-3 months if the smelliness or the itchiness will go away. But I also know that when I put a lot of products near my scalp, that helps to irritate it, and I had in some plaits and some product was there. So yeah, I feel like I'm chatting too much, but I'm just explaining what I'm doing. I also made some green tea. So yeah, I made this green tea rinse. It's just green tea, and this is, I think this has 64 ounce mason jar. I just added hot water and 2 green tea bags in it. This is sitting. Once I put the pre-poo on my hair, detangle, the apple cider vinegar is already on the scalp. Once I put the pre-poo, okra pre-poo on, I wash, condition, then I rinse with normal water, then I just rinse with the green tea. That's what I'm doing today, but let me show you how I'm gonna make the okra. Alright, so first I'm going to chop these up. I'm not going to remove the stems. Alright, I'm just going to chop these up. So I have a clean pot here, and I'm just going to put all of the okra in it. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Since it's 12, I'm gonna add a little more water. So that's 3 cups of water to the 12 okra. Now to boil. I saw some dried rosemary in my kitchen and I was like, okay, let me add this because rosemary also promotes hair growth. You need to boil this until you start using a spoon. Even if it looks like this, you know when okra juice gets really thick, or when okra goes in water, you know when it gets really thick. Once you dip a spoon in this and the okra, it's not really settling in the spoon, it's falling off, you know that it's almost ready. And when it slips off completely, you know that, okay, you will be able to tell when the okra is nice and slimy, and that's the time when it will be ready. Okra promotes hair growth, it adds shine and softness to your hair, and it helps to fight dandruff and scalp issues, so that's just perfect. So after you realize that it is nice and thick or it's slimy, then you can either leave this to cool down or you can strain it right away. I'm going to strain mine right away because I think it's easier to strain it now that it's hot rather to leave it to cool all the way down, and then it will be too thick. I should also mention that I used the whole 300 grams of okra because after boiling, when I just added this to the pot, I realized, okay, the 3 cups of water is just way too much for 12 okras, so I just used the entire 300 grams. Now the consistency that you're seeing here, it's great. It was great for my hair, but if you want this to be a little thicker, then of course you use less water. There are other methods too of doing this. You could literally just soak the okra in water with the rosemary if you want to add rosemary, and leave it for a few hours, and then it would get thick. If you've ever used okra to cook or make some juice or something, you know once that okra hits water, it will get slimy. But this texture was just fine for me. This consistency just perfect to add into my hair. Guys, so now this is my hair. Let me get some more light. Alright, so this is my hair. It would be best for you to use an applicator, and you would pour this in. This is the gel that I just showed you, see? It'd be best for you to do that and put it in your hair, but unfortunately mine is still in the mail. So what I'm gonna do is section my hair so that it will be easier for me. So that's one, I don't mess the place up, and two, I get it everywhere. Next, you can just spray with some water. I'm spraying with some clove water. You don't have to use clove water, but I had this in the fridge and it was definitely time for me to, it's time for this to change. So first, I just add the water to my hair. We're gonna do finger detangle. Then I'm going to go in with some of the gel. This is gonna be like messy for me right now because, so see, add as much as you can and finger detangle. Look at that. Look at the difference between this and this. Okay, good. How it looks, full of life, y'all. So that's the front. I'm just showing you because it's easier for me to show you that way. Now I'm gonna do the back. You see my hair? It's growing. So that's the water alone. Now I think if I put this like in a plastic bag, not bag, a plastic, I think if I had a bottle and I throw it in a bottle, maybe it would be easy, you know, make believe. But this is dripping. So this is it with the okra and the rosemary. Don't tell me you don't see that. All these third cups are measuring cups, so I'm just gonna use one for my hair and mark it. So I take it, throw it on the hair. When you throw that much on the hair, look at this. Yo. Sometimes I feel as if my edges are gone, and then when after I wash my hair and stuff, it doesn't look that way. I don't know. But you see the difference between the water and then look, it kind of suds. Do you see that? Show you. Alright, so I'm on my last bit. Well, I'm basically finished, but I have maybe a whole cup of it left because, you know, mine was nice and slimy but not too thick. So I do have a cup left, about a cup left of it, and I'm going to throw it all in my hair. This is what came out of my hair from finger detangling, and this is before washing. And I had braids in for 2 weeks actually. I checked the date properly. So this is messy for me because you cannot see inside of it. So let me turn it. See, I think. So this thing, you see, it will drain. So I just have something catching it on the floor. Oh, shit, man. It is runny, slimy, and it's kind of like soap. Look at this. But yeah, it makes my hair very soft, easy to manage at this point. So I know when I get in the shower. So all I'm gonna do is, guys, nothing, well, something special, because I'm gonna actually do a green tea rinse. So I'm going to wash with Dr. Bronner's peppermint. For my conditioner, I think it's Tresemme, so I'm gonna put it on the screen as well. And I already showed you my green tea rinse, so that's all I'm gonna use. After that, then I'll probably show you how much hair, additional hair, comes out after. So I'm going to leave this in for about 30 minutes. That's it, just about 30 minutes, and then we are good. But look at it, look at how nice it makes my hair, but it's dripping. So you can put your hair in a nice little steamer bag. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna come back and then show you guys what I'm dealing with. I'm through washing my hair, and this is what came out. So this is for the after shampooing and stuff. So this is my hair now. It's out like I sectioned it when I was conditioning it. I was adding the condition to my hair. So I'm gonna be using the LCO method now to just plait my hair just in these same sections, and I guess tomorrow I'll do something else. Tomorrow I'll probably cornrow it, but no, I'm just going to use the LCO method. So since liquid is already in my hair, I'm gonna be using cream and then oil on each of these, plait them, and that's it. So yeah, my hair feels good, my scalp is clean, it smells wonderful. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, please, so that YouTube will share my video with other people. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 50K by year end, and share this video with someone who has 4C hair like myself and is on a nice hair journey. I'm looking forward to more length and just a healthy hair as well. So let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the comment section below. This is something that I'm going to be doing every week, and I'll use different pre-poop method. I said pre-poop. I'll use different pre-poop methods, so I'll always be doing videos on these. So thank you so much. Bye.